Hi, I'm Cathy Leaf, and I'm running for a second term on the St. Croix County Board to continue to help build policies that move this county forward to even better outcomes. For example, the county board recently worked with community stakeholders to develop a strategic plan that prioritizes community well-being, public infrastructure, natural resources, and delivery of services to residents. The board also recently allocated federal ARPA dollars to fund mental health and addiction recovery partnerships and programs. ARPA funding was also used to develop a grant program to provide access to broadband for unserved and underserved residents. And through this program, we've been able to allocate grants to IP providers, and that will lay an additional over 300 miles of fiber in the county and will provide um, access to broadband for over 3,000 more residents, households. I've enjoyed making positive contributions for county residents. That's what government should accomplish. I want to continue my focus on the environment, public safety, public health, and transportation. My experience in local government has really helped me to understand the issues and to help find solutions to key matters of concern to my constituents and to the residents of the county. My husband Greg and I have lived in St. Croix County since 2002 and currently reside in the village of North Hudson. We moved here because we knew St. Croix County had fantastic schools and would be a great place to raise a family and start a business. I received my degree in agricultural education from the University of Wisconsin River Falls. I spent my career doing marketing and communications work for Twin Cities advertising agencies, my own business, and now for UW River Falls. I'm proud to say that I served 2 terms as a trustee in the village of North Hudson. And as a member of the county board, I serve as vice chair of the Public Protection and Judiciary Committee. I am a member of the Health and Human Services Board and the Aging and Disabilities Resource Council. I'm also working with Pearson St. Croix County on Healthier Together. That's a community coalition dedicated to creating and maintaining healthy communities. During my time as an elected official, I've listened to our residents and advocated on their behalf, even if I didn't always agree. I'm known for being responsive to constituents' concerns and ideas, doing my homework on issues, and asking relevant questions aimed at discovering meaningful insights, not just for myself, but for the benefit of my colleagues on the board. St. Croix County faces a number of critical issues as it continues to be one of the fastest growing counties in the state. In fact, we're the second fastest growing county in the state. These challenges include available and affordable housing for seniors and families. Affordable housing really means housing that is only 30% or less of your household income. That is really hard to come by in St. Croix County. Maintaining and addressing aging infrastructure, mental health and addiction crises. We all know people and have been touched by these issues, and also increased demand for services from our residents. Now, how we're working to address that is we just this week passed bonding on the expansion of the government center complex, and I support that initiative. So where do I stand on the other issues? Well, as a county, we should be forward thinking and planning for growth while preserving the things that we really do love most about living here, our waterways and parks. The challenge, of course, is to do this within strict levy limits and reduce state aid. As we've shown with the broadband grant program that I spoke of, public and private partnerships can and do work. We need to bring people together to the table from a variety of perspectives to work together to address issues that we all know and we can work together on. In many cases, a number of groups may be working toward a solution, and this can be amplified when county and local governments come together to the table. An example of that would be working on the affordable housing for seniors and families that I just spoke about. So I really look forward to the opportunity to continue to serve St. Croix County residents in District 4. I hope that I've earned your vote on April 5th. And I'd like to thank the League of Women Voters for this opportunity to connect with voters ahead of the election. Thank you.